Hello there, my lovely Aries. Welcome back to the channel. I am Lady of the Throne, your spiritual guide, teacher, healer, and earth angel. Thank you all so much for being here with me. If you are new Aries and you like or resonate with this style of video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Become a part of the community so that you can receive special spiritual guidance and important information for your overall life as well as your love life. Thank you once again for allowing me space to share sacred and ancient wisdom with you today. Aries, let's go ahead and jump right into what's happening in your love life, July 1st through the 15th. In this video, we're going to discuss two things: how you and this person you're interested in feel toward each other, and how you both see each other. In the extended version of this, you will get an exclusive video that you can watch as many times as you want. And in this video, we're going to look at how you two really are going to make positive change to work together in the connection, what your real intentions are with each other, and by looking at what it is that you need and what they need to understand and to work through during this time frame. So get the extended. The link is down below in the description box if you're interested. All right, Aries, let's get started. So how do you feel about this person you're interested in, July 1st through the 15th? I pick up that, Aries, you are more so knowing your worth on a personal level, knowing you are worth it. You are worth the time, you're worth the investment, you are worth the love. And no matter what people have tried to throw at you and claim falsely against you, you know that at the end of the day, you're ultimately a woman who deserves tender love and care, or you're a man who deserves love. So either way, but you know your value and what it is like to have someone like you in someone's life. So you're looking at yourself kind of like in third person during this time, and you're like, this person should treat me like this because I know what it is like to be with me. I know that I am loyal. I know that I am faithful. I know the sacrifices I've made in my life to be this woman of God that I am standing as today. I know what I have gone through, but I know where I am now. And I know that I have made it through things that people couldn't imagine making it through. And I know that I am stronger than everyone around me. And I know that I am more powerful than what I have been in the past. And I know that I am this enlightened individual, and that I am spiritual, and that I am calling in unconditional love and nothing less. So there is a bravery, a courage, a resilience, a fight within you, Aries, because you understand that you have the power to turn things around in your love life. Not just your life, but your love life as well. You are optimistic and discovering new things about even the people you keep around you. Your network of friends and associates are changing, and you're learning new things about these people. There is a promising future with someone, and things start to look up in your love life now, Aries, because of where your mindset is. Because your mind is set toward calling in what is meant for you. And so many new waves of people with substance, people with more substance to them, are attracted to you now. They're attracted to your aura, your vibe, the way you carry yourself. People are in tune with your words and the things that you speak about. People not only understand where you're coming from in your communication, but you walk what you talk. You actually are living the life that you say you are. And this has prepared you to explore all of your options in love, and not just one option in love, because other people are noticing your worth and value as well. So if one person doesn't recognize your worth, other people are, Aries. And now your eyes are starting to open up and realize that you don't have to take the BS that someone else has put you through in the past, and that there are other worthy candidates and options out there for you that you are ready to explore, because you understand where you are on your life's journey. And so you're ready for love. And I honestly, Aries, I do get a sense that God thinks the same thing, that he thinks you are. Okay, and keep that in mind, because when God finally makes a decision on you, that means that something is going to happen and that it is going to come into fruition. Okay, now your person of interest, and how do they feel? This person feels ready to give you their all. And I think that it is because of where your mind is right now. This person is ready to stop playing games with you and stop procrastinating with you. This person once looked over this connection, but not anymore. This person would rather spend time in the connection with you. This person has really hot and steamy romantic ideas and a romantic offer to give you, because this person is really trying to initiate something more positive with you. This person feels at a loss, and they're also losing themselves emotionally within this connection that they have with you, and that's why they feel the need to express everything to you rapidly. So if this person comes in quickly with some information for you, it's because this person's eyes are open. They're tired of procrastinating with you. They know that you're their person, so they want to be closer to you. They want to be near you now. This is someone who's realizing that time waits for no one, and they've taken long enough. This person has taken long enough playing with your heart, your mind. This person didn't understand what you could have been experiencing during all of this that you've experienced with this person. So now this person's like, you know what? I really think I messed up. And I think that I was being super selfish, and I wasn't seeing how this could be affecting the Aries. Because it's almost like this person was on the outside looking at you go through something really traumatic, really awful experience. This person saw that you were not at your best. This person knows you, so they know when you are. So this person was on the outside looking in like, wow, this person's really going through a lot, but never took accountability for the fact that this is happening because they played a major role in it happening to you. And so this person was just like a bystander to your life. But now this person is realizing, wait a minute, I think that I'm looking at this all wrong. I am just as accountable for what's going on with the Aries as the Aries is for themselves. I played a role in this too. So this they're awakened to a truth. How do you view this person, Aries? You see this person with pride the size and height of a mountain. Their pride is really, really high. And I think that is the issue, and has been the issue for a lot of you with this person. The way you see them is that this is someone they definitely have a warrior spirit, meaning that they will fight for what is right, and they will fight for your love. But this person, when they fight for your love, they're fighting in peace for your love. And that's how you see them. You have something inside of you, Aries, that lets you know that this person does want peace with you, that they do want you, and they're fighting for you. They're not fighting against you. And you see that this is someone who is being spiritually guided into doing things when there are no other alternatives. So it's kind of like you find that they're starting to come around or do things now because there's no other way that this person can move forward without doing these things. This person, you see them as being motivated by an infinite compassion for the suffering of everything that you have gone through, Aries. And this person may have seen you as someone who is very stubborn, someone who didn't want to cooperate with them or talk to them or deal with them. But that is how they saw things. But this person now sees and understands that it's not that you were being stubborn, it's that you were suffering. You were suffering. You dealt with a lot of pain because of their absence. You dealt with a lot of hurt. because of their way of thinking about the connection in the past. The same things that you have been trying to tell this person all along that they never saw. It's because their ego and pride was too high to realize that you didn't deserve anything. The only thing that you have done was try to help them and love them. So this person is now wanting to alleviate your suffering by doing whatever it is that they have to do, any means necessary, to make sure that you're no longer feeling this. The way you see them is being forced to give you the attention that you deserved after you have taught this person many, many lessons on a soul level. Okay? And you see them having courage, and you're also willing to assist this person in aligning with the purity and the honesty by empowering them to speak from their heart and to act with common sense to achieve the destiny that it is that God has given to them. You're even helping and assisting this person to use their common sense and look at exactly what's going on in the situation. You have been there for this person, Aries. So you see this person now walking in reverence as they pursue their destiny, which is you. Their goal that they've been wanting to accomplish is you. So this person is definitely being guided by God Almighty. They're being guided. God is guiding this person to you. This is happening naturally. It's out of your control. This person is going to come to you and has been coming to you, Aries, because this is a peaceful force that has been made by God, where it's not a force to be in your life and destruct things. It's a force to be in your life and make peace with you now. And Aries, you're open. You're open and you're wanting this person to walk in their truth. And that's all you've been trying to do, is help them see that this is something that is meant for them. You haven't been manipulating them. You don't have that bone in your body. What you've been trying to do is help this person. And now this person sees that. How do they see you, Aries? Aries, they see you as a person who gives teachings regarding the cycles of evolution. They sense that you have a really unique ability to understand the way in which others evolve. And also with that kind of understanding, you've had patience with their evolution. You've had patience with them to grow and develop all of these feelings for you. And not only that, but you've also introduced this person to an awareness of the sacredness of all things around them. You have opened this person up to spirituality. You've opened them up to this. And this person knows that that is from you. And the way they see you is being able to purify their heart, mind, and their body, which helps them to accelerate their evolution even quicker, because you are able to see through all of their worn out patterns, addictions, and attachments that are so negative, even negative thoughts. You have helped them to eliminate a lot of things that were negative about themselves. You have been freeing this person from things. Some of you could have been dealing with someone with a heavy drug addiction, someone that was addicted to some type of drug, or someone that was addicted to some type of mindset or a pattern that they did. Maybe this was a player. Maybe this is a person that was addicted to sex. They could have had a sex addiction, a porn addiction, something like that. But something about you, Aries, you've come in and purified this person's soul. And this person no longer wants to use the same drugs anymore, if at all any. This person wants to sober up. This person wants to let things go. This person wants to stop the sex addictions. This person wants to change because they understand the way that you think and how you live your life. And not only that, your unconditional love for them, how much you care for them. They care about themselves, because when they care about them, they care about you. When you care about you, you care about them. And it's this full circle. You two are of the same. So what you do to one another affects the other. What you do to yourself affects the other. So this person is seeing you as realigning yourself to your higher principles through purification of your word, your deeds, the things you do. Okay. Or sometimes you even turn your back on opportunities that may seem really good. And this person's like, I can't believe that they're turning their back on this opportunity. This is an amazing opportunity. But this love interest also knows that you will do whatever you need to do if it means that it's gonna take you away from a higher principle, if it's gonna deep purify you. You don't want that. So this person knows that. So in order to meet up to where you are and fit your standards for what you're looking for, this person doesn't have to be perfect, but they also know that they stand at this crossroad in their own life because it's a choice that they now need to make to look at the core of realizing why are they so unchanged, and why has your connection been stagnant? Why is it that your connection is not moving, that it's not going anywhere? There's a lot of sweetness in your heart. They know that you are abundant. They know that you have unconditional love for them, but they didn't understand why this and why that. And now this person has deeply reflected, and now they understand that it was due to their behavior patterns, their addictions, and their attachments to negative women or men. And that is why they never could make the move that they needed to make to be with you. And that's why your connection stayed where it was. Because you've inspired this person so much to change. And now they're finally realizing what they've contributed into the connection not moving. All right. So there is so much more that I want to talk to you about, Aries. We're going to get a little bit deeper here, and we're going to help to find a peaceful resolve in what you should do at this time. All right. Thank you. God bless.